Welcome back to Above Your City. This week, we're at US 23 State Route 42 widening project in Stockbridge, Georgia. This project will widen a 2.2-mile section of US 23 State Route 42 for 2 lanes to 4 lanes between State Route 138 North Henry Boulevard in Henry County and I-675 in Clayton County. The section would consist of 4 travel lanes, 2 in each direction, separated by a concrete median. Shoulders would consist of a 30-inch curb and gutter, a 6-foot landscaped grass strip, and a 10-foot wide multi-use trail on the east side. Also a 5-foot sidewalk on the west side of US 23 State Route 42. The posted speed limit will remain 45 miles per hour. The existing reinforced concrete box culvert under US State Route 42 at Panthers Creek will be replaced by a bridge. State Route 42 at State Route 138 and the I-675 ramps will remain as conventional signalized intersection. A series of restricted crossing U-turns intersections will be constructed between State Route 138 and the I-675 at selected side roads. Construction was undertaken in 2023 and is scheduled to be completed in 2027.